I grew up on a farm, not too far from here. Was always constantly working on trucks or tractors or machinery around. Finished high school, went to college for automotive machining. Got interested in racing, and then from there worked for a professional racing team where we machined engines, rebuilt engines. But then also I worked for heavy equipment dealers as well, and in the parts side of it doing rebuilding diesel engines too. Early days here, it was kind of like, wow, there's a place in Coleman that sells diesel engine parts that I've never heard of. And it was refreshing to see a newer business with a newer philosophy in a old industry that has needed to be changed for quite some time. We have people here that not just parts salespeople, but also experienced technical people, from service department managers to shop floor technicians to someone like me who was an engine machinist. When we make a sale, it's dealt with by that salesperson before and after the sale. It's not passed along to somebody a third party that really doesn't know or doesn't care anything about that. It's really nice to see that HHP does take care of people in that way. A lot of people don't know that you can call in and get technical advice, or we can send you torque specification, but we can at least point you in directions, things like that. A lot of people don't know that. They think, well, it's just an internet company, they just sell parts. But we do have a lot of technical people that can help with that. If you want to save yourself some time and money, we can have it to you in usually like 2 days or less, and saving yourself 30 to 40% usually over OEM pricing with a better warranty. You're doing yourself a favor buying from HHP. I'm Dave Davis, and I work at Highway and Heavy Parts.